Hello, hello guys. Welcome to our vlog. Starting now. Going to Strawberry Farm. Ayan. Strawberry Farm. Kadori. Strawberry Farm. Kadori Farm. Yeah, group to. Yeah.
It's raining, man.
Yeah. Raining na. Hello. Dami nila. Sige lang, pasok ka lang.
Sis, lagyan pa.
Bijay. Ayan, so maraming nakipagsabay. Ito yung group to. Uy. Ayan. Group 2 and group. Bali tatlong grupo ito. 1, 2, 3.
Yan. Makulog ng mga bitis.
Woohoo! Exercise.
Muna kayo ngiplap lang.
Saan ka matulog ang mga bitis?
Uy, ayan. Beetroot. Ay, ang gandang lalaki ka rin yun. Oo, beetroot. Ayan. So, umpisa na tayo dito sa ano. Okay.
Tapos ang kamuti.
Ayan. Parang hindi tayo nakakakita ng iba.
Wala nito sa syudad.
Wala sa syudad, nasa probinsya. Okay lang. Probinsya lang. Cracker flower. Ang ganda yung ano, parang rice dresses nga. Ay, group to dito. Group to.
Naghiwa-hiwalay.
Ayan, group to. Group 1 napunta doon.
Organic farming tayo.
Oh, ayan, may sitaw. May ano ba yun? Parang mandalin.
Yung pang salad.
Ang ganda ng view. Hi! Ayan, group to dito. First time kong pumunta dito sa Kadori Farm, guys. So, ang ganda pala ng So, ito yung mga makikita dito. Art house, farm shop, sunshine hall, my toilet, at saka exit. Sorry.
4, 25, and 6, 27.
Everything is here. Ayan, nandito tayo sa plant and us greenhouse. So, daanan lang natin dito. Ayan. Mali pa lang pag video ko. So, okay lang.
Grasya.
Grasya daw. Nawawala. Sunshine Hall, pero naka-close. Hello, sir. Ay, Arcade Greenhouse.
Mga vlogger ang kasama natin.
Ayan. So first time ko lang pumunta dito, guys. Ang ganda pala ng ng place. Saka malawak. Ayan. Very clean yung paligid. Ayun si Jane Saturn. Oh, pagkain daw. Pag sa pagkain si Jane Saturn nangunguna. Ay, for lunch na ba?
Nandito na kaagad.
Ayan, so rest time. Yoga daw. Yoga, wow. So, may session pang yoga. Remove. So, may yoga Ayan. So, yoga room ito, guys. Ayan. Yun ang teacher. Okay.
At the back, can you hear me?
Yes.
So yeah, still some. Still available here, sister.
So, ang lesson natin ngayon ay yoga. Makipagpalit ka daw. Sino makipagpalit? Isa Kim.
I'll just stand and have a chat with you all first. Anybody first time doing yoga?
Yes, first time.
Anyone done yoga before?
Obvious ba? Tanaw na makatawan namin.
That we done before.
Yan ang teacher natin.
So it's gonna be about 45 minutes class. Take it easy, take it easy. If you feel any pain or anything, just raise your hands. Let me know. I'll come and help you. But overall, it's gonna be just simple movement. So just enjoy. Remember to breathe. So I just want to become strong after this class. You can, but you might need gears. Yeah, but yoga and everything is all about balance. So yoga means union. Unions in yoga terms means connect your body, mind, and
And
soul.
so,
Okay, body means our movement. Soul means kind heart. Yeah. So sorry. Mind is like good positive thinking, good mind heart, meditate, take care of your mental health. Soul is already a high level. You get your peace. Okay. I'll try to give you about maybe 5 to 10 minutes relaxations at the end of the class. Feel free to fall asleep if you are very tired, but the key is to actually relax, okay? To bring awareness of yourself into your body, noticing any sensation in your body, any painful, just be mindful of that. But in case you couldn't help yourself and falls asleep, it's also fine. This is a safe place.
Sa
So
tik-
you all are safe. Don't worry. So is everybody from Philippines? Yes. Okay. I can't
Uy, sa teacher yan.
Hi. So sorry, that's my plan.
Sabi ko na nga sa'yo. Sabi ko nga sa teacher yan eh. Ito si Maja, sabi ko sa teacher eh. Hindi pinapakinggan.
Okay with that side. Okay. You might sometimes face my back. Is that okay? I mean, and I can choose, or maybe I can face here. You'll be facing me. It's also fine. It's also fine. Sure. Oh yeah, I've forgotten. My name is Wendy, by the way. Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Sick.
Right, so we are early, so let's begin. Sit cross-legged. So if you have trouble sitting cross-legged, you just you don't have to cross your leg, you just let it loose. Right?
Oh, I see.
Everybody can see me. Right?
Yes.
Just feel your my back, yeah, your glutes. Okay, they are all grounded onto the floor. Your sitting bone are very secure on top of the mat. Right, tailbone facing to the floor. And you bring your shoulders slightly backward, so your shoulder is on top of your tailbone. Your neck, bring it back a little bit, so the ear is on top of the shoulder. Right? So loosen, relax your hand. You can place it on top of your knee. Relax your shoulder, relax your neck, relax your face muscle, relax your feet, your gum, your tongue, your jawline. And choose to close your eyes, or you can even take off your glasses. Just be mindful of your body. Take your time, remember to breathe through your nose, exhale through. Every time inhale, try to deepen your breathing. Every time exhale,